Welcome back to GetEducated.com. In this video, we will go through how to access information about online degrees listed on our website. Let's start by filling out the drop-down menu in the Degree Browser tab on the home page and move forward from there. Let's choose a business degree with a business administration concentration, all at the bachelor level. Then click Search Now, which takes us to the Accredited Online Business Administration Degrees page. Let's choose a degree that is both trending and a Get Educated Best Buy, Riviera University. When you click on the name of the degree here, you'll see a pop-up which provides distinct information about that degree. You can read more about the program by clicking on Show More. You'll notice a qualifying section to the right, where you can enter your zip code and highest academic achievement to find out if you are eligible to pursue this particular degree. If you're more interested in other facts about this degree, or you aren't ready to begin entering your personal information, you can right-click on the degree you are interested in, choose the Open Link in New Tab option, and move to the new tab. On the degree information page, you can find the program details, accreditation information, and program requirements for each degree. If, after reading this, you find yourself ready to enter your info to pursue more facts about the program, you can click the Request More Information button at the bottom of the page, which will activate the same pop-up we encountered before. To return to the home page, just click on the Get Educated owl on the toolbar at the top of the page. We hope this video will help you as you begin your search for your online degree program. Join us next week to learn more about the GetEducated.com website.